Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything that I picked up at Publix for the sales week of October 28th through November 3rd or October 29th through November 4th, depending on where you're located. This is everything that I picked up this morning. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything in store and the coupons that I used. We'll go ahead and go over the final numbers at the end. Poise pads are $5.99. I'm going to grab 6. I'm going to grab 3 of these and 3 of these Poise ultra thin pads. 6 of them is going to bring me to $35.96. I'm going to use 6 of these, $2 off 1 package of Poise. I have 3 of these. I have 2 printable coupons, and then I have a digital. That's going to take off $12. And then I'm going to use 3 of these, 4 off of any 2. That's going to take off another $12. I'm going to be left to pay $11.96 in store. I'm going to get back $12 on Ibotta. $2 for each one of these and $2 for each one of these. That's going to make them free, but I am tracking towards a $6 rebate on Savings Star, so that should make these a $6 moneymaker. Next, I'm going to pick up are 2 of these Band-Aids. 2 of them is going to bring me to $7.38. I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 from the Publix Green Flyer, this $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, and this $1 off of 1 internet printable. These are a limit of 1 light coupon, so I can use both of these because they're different. That's going to leave me to pay $2.38 in store. I'm going to get $1 for each one on Ibotta, making these 38 cents for both, or 19 cents each. Then I'm going to come right here and pick up 2 of these galls, priced at $1.99. 2 of them is going to bring me to $3.98. I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 from the Publix Green Flyer. I'll be left to pay 98 cents, get back 50 cents for each one on Ibotta, making them free or a 2-cent moneymaker. I'm in the baby section now. I'm going to grab some items. This week, Pampers wipes are on sale for $1.99. They're usually $2.99. I'm going to grab one, use this $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. That's going to make this only 99 cents. What I'm going to do is the Gerber baby food. This week, they're 10 for 10, and the pouches are 10 for 10. I'm going to grab 8 of the jars. I'm going to grab 2 of the pouches. That's going to bring me to $10. I'm going to use these 2 $1.25 off of any 4 puree jars. That's going to take off $2.50, bring me down to $7.50. Fetch Rewards is going to give me back 3,000 points for buying 5 and an extra 500 bonus for buying 1. That's going to take off another $3.50, bring me down to $4 for all 10 or 40 cents each. I'm going to grab 2 of these Airwick plug-in base warmers. I have 2 more of these free coupons, so I'm going to grab 2 for $3.18, and then it's going to take off $3, making them 9 cents each. This week, the Purex in-wash fragrance boosters and the detergent and the pods are buy one, get one free. I'm going to grab one of these Purex crystals at half BOGO for $2.39. I'm going to get back $1 on Ibotta for buying one. It's going to bring me down to $1.39. And then I'm going to get a 50-cent bonus because I bought one of these last week, and there's a bonus for when you buy 2, you get 50 cents. So that's going to bring me down to a final cost of 89 cents for one. So I've never tried the Dunkin' coffee, but this week they're buy one, get one free. I'm going to grab one at half BOGO for $2.50. Use this $1 off of 1, it's going to make it $1.50. This week, Keebler's Deluxe Cookies are buy one, get one free at $3.59. I'm going to grab one at half BOGO for $1.79. I'm going to use this 50 cent off of any one Keebler cookie product. I literally found it just right here on one. There isn't any more. There was just one. So it's going to take off 50 cents, bring me down to $1.29. I'm going to get back 75 cents on Ibotta for buying one. It's going to make a final cost of 54 cents for one package. So this is everything I'm going to pick up at Publix this week. There wasn't that many deals, but I grabbed what I could get for super low out of pocket. These are all of the coupons I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the register, and then we'll go over the final numbers and the final cost to everything whenever I get home. Let's go over the receipt. There are the Poise liners for $5.99 each, the Pampers wipes on sale for $1.99, the other Poise pads for $5.99, Airwick warmers $1.59, the Band-Aid non-stick pads at $1.99. I believe those are the galls. The actual Band-Aids at $3.69 each. The Dunkin' coffee, I bought one at half BOGO for $2.50. The Purex crystals at $4.79. I bought one half BOGO at $2.39. And then the Keebler cookies, half BOGO at $1.80. I bought 10 of the Gerber baby foods at $1 each. And then here are all my coupons. This is the 50 cent off of the Keebler cookies, $1.50 off of, what is this? Off of the Airwick warmers, $1.25 off of the Gerber baby foods, $1 off of 2 of them off of the Band-Aids, another $1 off of Dunkin' coffee, 1, 2, 3, 4, $2 off of the Poise pads, another $2 off of the Poise pads, the $4 off of the Poise pads from the green Publix flyer, $3 off, where are these off? $3 off of the Band-Aids from the Publix green flyer, $1 off the Pampers wipes, and then the $2 digital for the Poise pads. My subtotal was $28.16, $32.82 with tax. I had a total savings of $51.15. All of my coupons came off just fine, except for the Dunkin' coffee. She thought it only included the products that were on the actual coupon, so instead of her even trying to scan it, she just manually put it in. If she would have scanned it, it would have worked. But she was really nice. She didn't give me no problem. She was just confused about the coupon. So everything went through just fine. All of my coupons came off. I got back $16.75 on Ibotta, and then I got an extra 50 cents for buying another Purex and a different shopping trip. So $17.25 in total. I will get back the $6 on Savings Star for spending $35 in Poise pads. And then I got back $4.70 on Fetch, 1,020 points or $1.20 for the Poise, and then $3,500 for the Gerber baby food or $3.50. So a total of $27.95 in rebates. That brings us to a subtotal final of 21 cents for all of these items. With tax, all of this stuff cost me $4.85. I did get 25 items, so that makes them about 19 cents each. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.